This is the Boss EQ-200 graphic equalizer, and we're going to unbox it today. Alright, so this is the box for the Boss graphic equalizer EQ-200. Just see what we get inside. Nice foam packing. Really tight foam packing. That's our unit. Let's put that to the side for a second. And then we've got, these are those standard stick-on feet. You can actually see the underside of that one. That you use to put on the four corners of the pedal, so it stands up off whatever you've placed it upon. This is the manual. Again, kind of a substantial looking thing. And then there's the unit itself. Beautiful. Another substantial, weighty looking and feeling thing. So we've got 10-band EQ. My understanding, I haven't tried it yet, but it's possible to reset where those 10 bands are going to rest. So they aren't necessarily at 30 and going up to 12.8K. We'll see. Either way, it's a 10-band equalizer of the kind that well, Boss would have had in the past, only this is a digital version. So you've got your sliders, there's memories, so there's 4 different memory settings I gather, and there's I think a stereo output for this. Yeah. Let's see here. Well, there's an A and B output. Presumably you could use that to assist in stereo situations. I'm not using a stereo rig or anything like that, but it's got the ability. So there you have it, the Boss EQ-200 digital graphic equalizer. Can't wait to get it on the board.